Hello guys, review Nokia G42. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory, model TA1581. Okay, open box. We have box eco material, device in the silver color, gray color, documentary in compactation, and in box we have only key for SIM slot and Type-C to Type-C cable without charger, compactation without charger. Okay, now talk about device. Turn on this side we have slot, upside without controls, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, headphones jack, and on this side power button and volume buttons. Power button with fingerprint scanner. On the front side we have HD resolution display, IPS, 90 Hz refresh rate. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu test results and CPU and GPU. Qualcomm Snapdragon SM4350 and Adreno 690. Okay, close this. Run demo game. GTA San Andreas, look how GTA San Andreas work on the max graphic level. Game works very good, without problem, perfect gameplay. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.